mapakumbaba at maglingkod. Ayon nga sa kasabihan, ang unang titig sa bunga ay lumuyuko. Kung mabibigyan ako ng pagkakataon na magsilbi bilang anumang posisyon, pangako ko na makikinig sa bawat paaralan at magsusulong ng pagkakaisa ng mga kabataang leader. Muli, ako si Ivy Faye D. Gredo. Handa maglingkod sa muna. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Ms. Ivy Faye. May we welcome the Sergeant President of Cabaritan West Elementary School, Francis B. Guillermo.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Francis P. Guillermo, the newly elected SELD President of Cabaritan West Elementary School. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you, Francis. Next, the Sergeant President of Cabayo Elementary School, Sevalayan Chen Liu Paknis.
Good afternoon, everyone. Naranyag Caballeros. Please allow me to introduce myself. I am Zephania Jen Utrella Paknis, 11 years of age, a grade 5 learner, elected as SELD President of Cabayo Elementary School. I am honored to stand as a I would love to lead by example. A leader who has an ear to listen and has read themselves out as much as I can. I am willing to address your ideas and concerns and bring them up with a discussion with my fellow officers and our teachers as well. For I believe that together we can let our voices be heard. I am confident that if elected, I will work hard to represent your interests with a goal of building a stronger sense of community within our school. So please vote for me, and together we can make our voices a real difference. Once again, this is Zephania Jen Utrella Paknis from Cabayo Elementary School, leading with heart, serving with action. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you, Ms. Zephania. From Cabuluan Elementary School, may we welcome the Sergeant President, Precious Joy N. Tabli.
Good day to all of us. I am Precious Joy N. Tabli, a grade 5 learner and newly elected as EMD President of Cabuluan Elementary School. As a leader, I believe that leadership is not being about the most powerful person, but helping others grow and succeed. That's all. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you, Precious Joy. The Sergeant President of Calapawan Elementary School, may we welcome Ashley T. Manuel.
The best leader, inspiring, to reach higher. Good afternoon. My name is Ashley T. Manuel, ELG President of Calapawan. Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Ashley. The Sergeant President of Caranan Babay Elementary School, may we all welcome Samjil T. Mandolano.
Good day, President of Caranan Babay Elementary School. I stand in front of you today to show what my heart is for. That is to serve with all the best I can for the betterment of my fellow learners. Thank you and God bless us all.
Thank you, Bea. From Mabutan Elementary School, let us all welcome Sofia Amor Di Rosales.
Good afternoon, everyone, and I respectfully nominate myself as president. And I am Sofia Amor Di Rosales from Mabutal Elementary School and running for the position as president of the Municipal Supreme Federated STLG. And through leadership is earned through trust, honesty, and the willingness to serve others. A real president lives with integrity and works for the good of all students, not for personal gain. Please vote for me as your president. Thank you.
Thank you, Sofia Amor. From Nararagan Elementary School, may we all welcome the Sergio President, King William C. Coria.
Fellow young leaders, good afternoon. Greetings to all of you. My name is King William C. Coria. I am honored to stand before you today as a candidate representing Nararagan Elementary School in the municipal level of the Supreme Elementary Learners Government Election. As a candidate, I am driven by a strong passion for education and a deep commitment to fostering positive change within our school and municipality. If elected, I pledge to be a voice for every student, ensuring that their concerns, ideas, and dreams are heard and addressed. So please remember, my name is King William at your service. Thank you and good afternoon once again.
At your service, King Miguel, thank you very much. May we welcome the Subject President of Panlog Elementary School, Jacob R. Garcia.
Good afternoon, dear teachers and fellow SEND presidents. I am Jacob R. Garcia, SEND president. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you, Jacob. The Subject President of Payagan East Elementary School, may we all welcome, Alexa Chloe Gallardo. Pasensya na kung hindi tama ang pag-pronounce ko.
A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Naranyag Abalisteros, Napaliin Apayagan East. I'm Alexa Chloe Gallardo, SEND President of Payagan East Elementary School. Thank you.
Thank you, Alexa. Yung sila pa, Alexa, ipagkakon, nakakit na rin ang abalik sa thesis may isa. The Subject President of Payagan West Elementary School, may we welcome Jezreel E. Bernardes.
To our respected teachers, our fellow SEOD presidents from different schools in our municipality, a pleasant day to you all. Standing in front of you is Jezreel E. Bernardes, grade 5 learner and the newly elected president of Payagan West Elementary School. I stand before you today with a grateful heart and a strong desire to serve. Being an officer is not about position, popularity, nor power. Being an officer is about service. It is about listening to the voices of our fellow learners, understanding their needs, and working together to cater for their needs and create a positive change in our school and the community as well. If given the opportunity to serve, I will try to be the voice for every learner in
our municipality, promote unity, respect, and cooperation among schools, encourage participation in activities that develop our talents and leadership skills, and work closely with the teachers and school leaders to ensure that learners' concerns are heard. I believe that a young leader like me can create a difference, even in our own simple ways, by promoting kindness, discipline, and teamwork. We can build stronger schools and a better municipality. This election is not just about winning a position. It is about building a strong organization where every learner like us feels valued, empowered, and inspired. I wish everyone to have a good decision to vote. Once again, I am Jexfely Bernaldez, humbly asking for your support and trust. Thank you, and may you all continue to shine as responsible and empowered learners of Ballesteros District.
Thank you very much, Dexter. Maybe we then welcome the Sergeant President of San Juan Elementary School, Jaskira Saisi Zeya Sintamayo.
Let's work together to make our voices heard and create a fun, safe, and inclusive environment for all. Narañaga, Ballesteros, Kenariman, and Santa Cruz. SELD advisors and fellow SELD president. I am the Jaskira Saisi Zeya Tamayo, SELD president of San Juan Elementary School.
Thank you, Delphira. May we welcome then the Sergeant President of Santa Cruz Elementary School, John Matthew D. Lagar.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Una sa lahat, nais ko pong magbigay ng aking taos-pusong pagbati sa ating Public Schools District Supervisor, Sir Cesar A. Acevedo. Sa ating minamahal na SELD Advisor, Sir Santos B. Organiza Jr. Mga punong guro na dumalo, mga masisipag na SELD advisors, at aking mga kapwa SELD presidents. Isang malaking karangalan po para sa akin na makatayo sa harap ninyo ngayon. Mga pala si Don Matthew, Dilagan, SELD President ng Mababang Paaralan ng Santa Cruz. Nalubos kong nagpapasalamat sa pagkakataong may pahayag ang aking hangarin, makapaglilingkod at makatulong sa pagkakaunlad sa ating paaralan. Ang pagiging leader sa Supreme Elementary Learner Government ay hindi lamang tungkol sa pagkakaroon ng posisyon. Ito ay tungkol sa paglilingkod, pakikinig sa boses ng kapwa mag-aaral at pagtutulungan upang mapabuti ang ating paaralan. Kung bibigyan ninyo ako ng pagkakataon ng inyong leader, ipinapangako ko na gagawin ko ang aking makakaya upang kumatawan sa inyo ng may katapatan, responsibilidad at dedikasyon. Nais kong isulong ang mga programa na papaunlad sa disiplina, pagtutulungan, paggalang, pamumuno at pagmamalaki sa ating paaralan. Sa ating mga guro at pinuno ng paaralan, salamat po sa inyong patuloy na paggabay at inspirasyon sa amin. Kayo po ang nagbibigay sa amin salamat po sa pagbibigay sa amin ng pagkakataon na ipakita ang aming kakayahan bilang mga batang leader. Kung naniniwala sa pamumunon, nakikinig, naglilingkod at kumikilos para sa kapakanan ng lahat. Buong pagpapakumbaba kong hinihiling ang inyong suporta. Yan Matthew Hilaran, ang inyong lingkod. Maraming salamat po at magandang araw po sa ating lahat.
Thank you, John Matthew. The Sergeant President of Mobang Elementary School, may we all welcome Ayesha Yang.
Believe that every learner has a voice. Every idea matters, and together we can make our school a better and a happier place for everyone. I'm ready to serve with dedication, responsibility, and respect. Thank you.
Thank you, Ayesha. From Sitama Elementary School, may we welcome Zainal Yel S. Ariola.
Good day, everyone. I am Zainabel Ariola, SELB President of Sitama Elementary School. Standing before you today as a candidate for the SELB Federation is both an honor and responsibility. This federation is not just an organization. It is a community built on trust, collaboration, and the shared goal of empowering every member to reach their fullest potential. I believe leadership is not about titles, but about service. If I elected, I will dedicate myself to listening to your voice, representing your concern, and ensuring that every decision we make reflects fairness, inclusivity, and progress.
Thank you, Zainal. Thank you, dear CELG President. Ayan, napakinggan na natin. Lagi handa, ready to serve, nandiyan na lahat.